Okay, good morning, everyone. Today is 25th of April, 2024. It's around 9:04 a.m. in the morning. Okay, let's start the analysis together. All right, today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, right? So as you can see, the Wednesday was are normally very popular to we will call it Whipsaw Wednesday. One of the reason because they were like to do the reversal in the middle of the week because we have five trading days in a week, right? So if let's say like Monday to Tuesday, they kind of are going one way, then Wednesday onward there will be some sort of a reversal, right? So either up or on the downside. So that's why Wednesday are quite popular to be Wednesday and Thursday, but especially Wednesday, right? Are quite popular to be the sort of like a pivot point, right? So that's why we call it Whipsaw Wednesday. So I think it's really turned out to be true. Yesterday, we have a very big whipsaw in the market, right? So we have a very big move. I have already mentioned to our inner circle yesterday as a warning also, Wednesday is, this the behavior of the Wednesday itself. All right, so it's turned out to be really true. Okay, so now let's start with what we have for the news, right? Basically, news, we don't really have so much already, except on Friday, right? The major one is on the Friday. Okay, along the way, there's a little bit of them, but the major one is on the Friday, which is JPY related. I think the market will have a big move coming up on them. So, please watch out on this. All right, apart from that, I has already mentioned over the course of this week, this week is more of a failure week, right? Just it's like something be in between, right? Because next week is gonna be rather more important one, right? You can see we have a FOMC coming up next week. Okay, so please be aware of that. All right, gentlemen. So this is for the news and the item for this week and next week. Okay, let's start with the individual pairs. Okay, first of all, let's have a quick look at what the market is basically doing. Okay, so basically we have a rebound on the gold and silver for quite a few 2 days, right? 2 days. Sort of like a pullback on the 2 days, or especially on Tuesday, the market kind of like now going sideways. If you watched my video yesterday that I posted, right? So I was kind of like warning as well. I think these guys are rather than like outright so bullish, it's good to pay attention and wait it out will be the great. So it's turned out to be quite correct. I think the market may not over with the pullback. Okay, because of why? Because our market composition have warning us that the bullishness is kind of slowing. Okay, so this on them. And number two, of course, we are quite okay on the Hong Kong, right? Hong Kong is doing well. So maybe, all right. Let's say we take some profit maybe later today or something. Okay, that one we will look into that. All right. So now let's start with the individual pairs. Okay, as usual, let's start with the British pound. Okay, British pound, we have a very good reversal. All right, I kind of like understand that this reversal is a little bit of valid one. All right, but look at the yesterday candle. Look at the let's say candle and the yesterday volume, right? Rather, they are pretty much like nothing is really following up, right? No wonder market is like not really didn't manage to really go up a lot because there was no trading or almost basically very minimal trading going on right now. In terms of retail trader position, they are minus 59. So basically, they are back to the nominal range. It means nothing to be taken note from this kind of like retail trader positionings, right? It can either up or down, right? So I would suggest it's better to stay on the neutral, fall back to our weekly plan. Our weekly plan is a bit more of a neutral at the moment. All right, let's take a look on the just give me a minute. Let's take a look on the market composition just to read the numbers. Okay, hang on. Just to read the number. Guys can hear. All right, no issue, yeah. Okay, so British pound is plus 8K, which is already written. So I just want to make it sure. So you can see that the numbers actually is dropping from plus 28 to 8 is such a big number. So I think maybe we may have some pullback like this that, I mean, this is a likely case scenario. So I would say it's neutral will be better. Try not to long anymore. I think market will be about to roll over in my opinion. So the market is sooner or later likely to go as we expected to the downside. Okay, so this something might be happening. All right, so just now we are neutral. Okay, let's take a look on the euro. All right. So euro, let's take a look. Okay, euro also quite similar, right? We have a projection to a certain direction, right? Then market is kind of like start to unfolding that. Okay, let's take a look on the retail traders. Retail traders, plus 52, basically plus minus 50 to 60 is nothing really matters. So it's like, I mean, we don't take anything seriously from this kind of warning at the moment, right? So I think the market were about to roll over to the downward move, in my opinion. Same thing, look at the yesterday price session and volume, pretty low, all right? So almost nothing is going on yesterday, all right? So what do I mean by, that retail traders position? You can see that, right? It was going down, right? What the retail trader does, okay? Just let me explain one more time again. They like to go against the market and they are losing money most of the time, right? You can see when the market is going down, right? In general, market is going down, instead of shorting, selling, all right? Or if they have long position, they should have close, right? Because they are wrong one, right? But they do the opposite, right? So what they do, instead of shorting, they add their long position. So the more they go down, it was 70 plus plus position, right? Long position. Then they go all the way down, they become 90 plus long position. So that means when the market was so much down, they have so much long position. So this is the sort of like how to say, overbought and oversold kind of like condition that we like to look at, right? So whenever the market reach especially like 80, for this case plus 80, plus 80, plus 90, it gave us a very good warning already. Okay, guys, careful, like a rubber band. They are being stretched. They like to snap back to the opposite direction. So this kind of warning was give us very good like a timing kind of like strategy. So you see it was plus 90, so market really rebound to the upside. All right. So now it's almost like back to the nominal. So there's nothing really extreme going on, right? So I would say it's kind of like neutral in my opinion. All right, market can either go up or go down in terms of retail trader point of view. So I think the market will likely to go up to this level. If I were to short it down, I think I would like to choose this kind of level will be give me a better odd in my opinion. That's why I put my drawing there. All right, so it's neutral. All right, so yep. Let's continue, gentlemen. Another one is Aussie. Okay, Aussie and New Zealand is a little bit something that I like, all right, because I I expect that they will be kind of like a bullish compared to British pound and Aussie, British pound and sorry euro. You can see yesterday we have a very good run to this swing level, so it's already touched our TP level already. All right, it's already touched our TP level already, so it's definitely not a time to long anymore. All right, definitely not a long to anymore. If you have a buy position, maybe take your profit already, or you should have already took your profit. All right, so now they are getting a bit more on the a bit more extreme. All right, you can see here. Hang on. Now we are minus 70. Not extreme, but a little bit only extreme. So let's see. I think market will start to roll over. All right, then market will go back lower. So we should have a short position or short direction, at least for a short time, at least for a while. I think that it can follow out. All right, and yeah, this is what I see. Look at the yesterday candle, right? Almost starting and opening, closing is almost the same, and they have a lot of position coming into defenses level. So we can see that 0.651 is a very good resistance level. All right. So I will be neutral or slightly bearish for this guys. 0.65 is a very good resistance. It is also in our weekly resistance number. Okay. All right. So in this case, New Zealand also same thing. Okay. We have a good run to the upside, should be. All right. So we have a decent run, not exactly a good one, decent one to the upside. Let's take a look, gentlemen. Okay, then from there, market will likely to, I think it's a sideways move is possible. So But if you want to short New Zealand, I will really wait it out here. All right. I think they can I think patient is stay the better choice in my opinion. Nothing really so extreme. Okay. You can see the retail traders also is on minus 56. So it's basically plus 56, minus 56, nothing really, right? So I think market will likely to drift around here. Maybe they will do a quick drift around here, quick test to, whoever think the market is going down, they will stop hunt this fella, then market will after then will do something like this. So this thing in between, anything can happen. All right. So I will be neutral or slightly bearish only. I'm not recommending any trade today for this guy. Okay. I think they may have one more push to go. And look at the yesterday candle. They are not exactly bearish. They are just a doji candle, right? So they are not exactly bearish. Okay. Let's take a look on the gold. Okay, go. I was if in our inner circle video yesterday, you should be able to know. I was it's a rebound, yes, but I wasn't really so reluctant, so not really so eager. Sorry, I chose the wrong words. Not really so eager to buy yet because you can see our market compositions are, you know what I'm talking about, market compositions are slowing down. Okay, I think the watch here is slowing down. Okay, so it's like I think no wonder we are seeing some pullback. All right, so I think market will like if they can, mostly they can do it. They will just do this kind of stuff. All right, so I will rather wait. If I want to buy, I would rather wait for a bit more drop. I think will be the better choice in my opinion. Okay, of course, where is the drop? I mean, you can see this is this is a one decent level, right? Hang on, this is a one decent level, and another super decent drop is here. All right, I mean, of course, this is a bit long. I mean, long-winded here, but this is a super decent drop. Okay, so will it drop here? Will it drop here? This is also not bad. These are a little bit small drop here, but the major drop is here. All right, so if they ever come back to 2150 region or 2125 region, I think it's a very bullish scenario. Okay, so I will be kind of patient in gold. All right, I think they will do a lot of whipsaw and stuff like that. All right, and look at the retail traders position. Retail traders short minus 52, so they are plus 48. So basically they are totally in the middle. So small traders are nothing extreme in any direction, so market can really lead them to anywhere, right? Can down, can go up. All right, so I'm quite reluctant to bullish on gold and silver. Should be the silver the same as well. All right, so I will not participating much on this gold and silver this week. Okay, and we were kind of like we will have a last Monday we have a Hong Kong position and it's really doing very, very well. Okay, so today whether we should see whether should we add or should we close our position with profit. Okay, anyway, this is a silver. I think they are doing what they are doing right now because we are at this kind of congested area. We got one here, we got one here. The next congested area is here, right? So if they ever really drop, I think might be possible as well. And also you can see, our market compositions are showing that, silvers are not really, slowing down on the buy side already. All right. So that's the reason why I'm not really super duper bullish. So I'll be watching it very closely. But when it's come to like 24.5, this kind of level is a very good buy by then. Okay. So it's neutral, gentlemen. So please be careful on buying gold and silver for now. Okay. I think it's time for a pullback, likely in my opinion. All right, so just wait and buy lah. All right, patient. Trading, you don't have to be buying or selling all the time. Trading involves three things: buying, selling, and waiting for your direction to come in. Okay, so now we are in the choice number 3. All right, US dollar CAD. Okay, US dollar CAD. We were saying market were likely to drift a little bit to the support level, and let's see where we are right now in terms of percentage. I think US dollar Canadian yesterday came back up because CANA because of the retail trader percentage are really, really back to nominal level, right? This how this kind of reading this information will help you out, avoid those like late buying or late selling. All right. What do I mean by late buying? You see, by the time market was really going up, of course we were tempted to buy. Am I right? But there was a time we were kind of like, okay, we shouldn't follow because you see, look at the retail trader at that time. Okay, I'm saying at that time, minus 92. You see how overstretched they are, how overstretched they were. You see, they were so overstretched. Of course, likely to snap back, right? So we have a snapback happens, and market is like a snapback happen, and market is going all the way back down. Right now they are short is a minus 72. All right, so now they are minus 72. Sorry, I used this one again. So they are minus 72, right? So let's see. All right, let's see how it's go. As our projection, this is a good level. All right, this is a good level of rebound, but I don't think it's the ultimate one. My ultimate one I'm interested to buy is here. Okay, later what we will do is I will put a buy limit in this kind of region. All right, let's say it's market trigger, let it trigger. Okay, so we wait for a while. Okay, so I'm slightly bullish on them. Okay, then we wait. Because as a buyer, right? As a buyer, you want to buy it as low as possible, right? That's the universal truth of buying and selling. Okay, US dollar CHF. Wow, surprisingly stay very going up. And surprisingly stay much going down. Okay, one of the reasons they go up because you see they were minus 90. Sorry. They were minus 90 and market know that it's too overstretched. They didn't really go down, right? They didn't really go up. They do a bit of hunting and they reach to the point minus 70, this kind of stuff. Now they are really moving back, you see. So you see, even the market is about to go up into the same direction. When the retail traders are too extreme, they need to make a bit of pullback. Okay, so they pull back until retail trader really shake out, the market is going up. I think US dollar CHF is really a valid breakout to the upside. You look at the market composition, 31 to 36.2, I think it's going to go up higher. All right, so our market composition is supporting this guy to the buy side actually. So this will be my first recommended pair for today. All right, so I think it's in line with our market composition as well. Okay, let's take a look on the buy side today. Okay, and US dollar JPY, I think they are the same if I'm not wrong. Look at the retail traders, you see plus 162 to 165. So both of them are bullish, gentlemen. All right. And let's see on this guy. This guy is how much? Okay, this guy is minus 80. So I will say this guy is a little bit too extreme. Okay, let's move back to check the US dollar CHF. This guy is also, oh my God, minus 90. Oh my God. I want to recommend buy, but you see they are back to the extreme case scenario again. Oh my God, like the house, yeah. Want to buy, but there's a very big warning alarm sound already. Right. I mean, minus 90 is no joke. Okay, like if you ask me which one look better, I would say US dollar JPY is better, right? Because this is minus 890, right? US dollar JPY is minus 80. So I mean, both are extreme. All right, both are extreme. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, but this guy less extreme now compared to US dollar CHF. So okay, I will take away the so-called the recommendation of US dollar CHF, and I will put to US dollar JPY. Ayo, like the house, yeah. Like you're walking on the edge. Okay, the market composition is very bullish, yes, but there's some very big alarm as well. So what do we do? I mean, one side tell you is saying that it's very bullish, another side tell you that it's watch out, right? This kind of a warning sign. What do? Of course, if you buy also, you buy less lah, right? You lower your lot sizing, all right? Because not 5-star setups, right? So it's maybe like 3-star setups, right? So yep, lower the lot size if you ever buy this position. Okay, so now let's take a look on the US market. US market have an initial boot, all right, because of this stimulus so-called Ukraine, the money help to Ukraine. Okay, hang on. Okay, so I think we have a bit of a high volume stop, so-called like blocking the move here. I think what we're likely to do is the market will likely to go back here, this kind of swing in my opinion. You can see market have already reached some resistance level. That's why they are resisting. So they may do this kind of stuff. All right. So neutral or slightly bearish. I think it can move back down to 38,000 level. Okay. So buying, I think we can wait it out in my opinion. All right. Not really so eager to buy. Neutral or can go back down to neutral or slightly bearish, can go back down to 38,000 level. All right, 38K. Okay, now here come the superstar, right? Superstar. I hope you are making quite decent money this week. All right, we don't have so much position, but our position that we have is really, really, really doing well. All right, we long somewhere around here. Remember, I think we long somewhere around, if I'm not wrong, around here, right? If I'm not wrong. Okay, I got to see the number again. Well, we have a 3D or a really nice push. All right. I think market will likely to go up higher. All right. I mean, either we break now to the upside or break later. Doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. It's we shouldn't be so much focused on the timing, right? Because this where the this is why all the technical trader. I mean, most of the technical trader lose money. They are focused too much on the timing. Have you ever come across you buy, market go down, stop out, but after a while, your position is actually right after all, right? If it's happened to you time to time, I mean, once in a while, I mean, it's understandable, but if it happened to you quite often, I mean, you are focusing too much on the timing really. No wonder, I mean, the account is not growing because before market really play out, you are already off from the market. Then how the market can grow, how your money can grow, right? So I repeat, we should more scout on we should more I would say study on the where the market is going. Timing is we do our best, okay, but it's not the 100% priority. Okay, so I think market will likely to drift up higher eventually. All right, so will it break this time or not? I mean, I don't know. Actually, nobody know. Actually, put it this way. All right, nobody. People can say yes, people can say no. But you know, they're just making a guess ourselves only. Okay, so I think eventually we'll go up higher. All right, maybe this time break out higher. I mean, it will be a bonus for us, right? Definitely, by end of this session, I will definitely move my stop loss to break even. Okay, so just protect some of it. Then let's see whether how high we can earn money from it. Okay, so I think we'll go up higher eventually. So it's bullish, gentlemen. Bullish on this. Okay. Then another one is DEX. German DEX. German DEX, no need to say lah. German DEX follow American market. That's all. Okay. So they are now coming back down to this kind of range position. So I think market will neutral or slightly bearish will be the better word here. Let it see. Okay. I think market can go back down this here or not. I'm not taking any position yet. Okay. Another one is WTI. All right. WTI make a bit of pullback. Okay. But let's see. Hang on. I just want to, before I make any analysis. Do, do, do. Okay, from our market composition, there's some drop in the position, right? So I think we were likely to go sideways kind of thingy in my opinion. All right, the maximum they will go back to is 85 for now. So slightly bullish or neutral might be the better words here. Not as strong bullish here. I think 85.5 is a good level. All right, so it's slightly bullish or neutral, gentlemen. Hey, no recommendation or anything today for this guy. Okay, let's take a look at our wheat position. All right. Very good. We have a very good run on wheat position. All right. This is our second consecutive recommendation for the past 2 days. So, pound on the buy side, right? We will be making a lot of money out of it, right? So we have a position. All right. So same thing, quite similar to the Hong Kong as well. Stay on the buy side. Okay. You see, when we there's a times that we shouldn't be so much trade on the one pair only. I mean, there are people who only trade on certain products, right? Which is totally fine. Okay, I'm nothing against it. But to me, I think this kind of like trading is a little bit rigid to me. All right, sometimes it's good also, but sometimes also they are quite counterproductive, right? So a little bit rigid because sometimes the market is really tricky on that particular instrument. I mean, it will be tricky, right? I mean, we cannot force it, right? Right. Like the point I'm trying to do now is that for this week, the superstar, all right, the superstar of this week basically is a grain, gentlemen. Okay, this is what I've been telling over the weekend. All right. Like for example, go down, go up, sideways. You know, now for example, grain, this guy really going really pretty solid, right? So I'm still quite bullish. Okay, just to warn you guys, of course, you know, I mean, we still have a danger all around, right? They can pull back anytime, but I think overall stay bullish in my opinion. All right. So stay on the buy side. So this will be my third consecutive day of bullishness on wheat. All right. We have position and I think we are doing really, really well on that. Soybean, all right. Soybean should be the same. All right. Okay, soybean yesterday, look at the very nice pullback. Okay, so soybean, there are some warning coming in ready. So I will be slightly bullish on soybean. Okay, they can break to the upside anytime. At the same time, they can go sideways also. Why? Because, you know, now we are at the very congested kind of level already. So I think we need to wait one more day to find out. All right. And look at the volume, they are quite stay decent, right? They stay quite decent. I think we should see some bullish kind of continuation in today or tomorrow time. Okay, let's see see whether what I say is correct or not. So I'm not entirely bearish yet. I'm slightly bullish on soybean. Okay, let's move on. Corn will be quite similar as well. Corn. Okay, so almost all of them got some sort of like there's some minor warning sign going on already. So they are not 100% super bullish, but you know, overall they can say bullish lah, right? They have a very good stop hunt above this line, just a small few more pips, right? Then after the market kind of like pull back a bit. So I think will it continue up to the upside? I definitely think so. Okay, so I'm saying overall super bullish, slightly bullish. So what we do, we will buy or wait and buy only. All right. Okay. Selling is, I don't think it's the right time. We wait for a good level to just keep on buying. Okay. BTC. All right. BTC, there's something that I want to mention. BTC number one, there from the market composition, there's some minor increase on the sale. So no wonder market is refusing to go up higher. And number two, I think number two is rather important. We have to look at it every day. You see, there's a minor drop in the what we call it, stable coin information, right? So if is continued, they have been doing this for the past 3 to 4 days already. So it's like you know, market fails to pump higher. But of course, don't get me wrong, you know, even they drop like this for quite a few days, they can eventually continue up higher. So of course, we have to continue to see. I cannot see the future. But let's say market keep on like slowing this kind of momentum or going this kind of momentum, we shall have some bearish case scenario coming up. I think it will goes down to, for example, like 62.1, this kind of region. Okay, 62.1, this kind of region. So just be careful with the buy for now, in my opinion. Market may be a little bit roll over to the downward side. All right, so just be careful. All right, and you look at the intraday control. Intraday control is somewhere around here. 64.7. Okay, so if let's say the price didn't manage to stay above this, we have a more and more some bearish case scenario. I would say the first level should be 62.8. Second level should be this region again, 61K kind of region. So slightly bearish will be the better words here. All right, I think it is also in line with the verdict on the Binance CEO, right? So you know, crypto war is a little bit uneasy, put it this way. All right, something's really holding back. I think everybody is waiting for this, you know, Binance verdict or Binance new, because you know, of course, I mean, without a doubt, Binance is the biggest. You know, if anything really, really big go down on Binance, you know, the whole crypto war will shaken up. All right, so now it's neutral, slightly bearish might be the words here. Okay, all right, let's continue. Next guess. Okay, same thing. On the left is our future. Oh, sorry, on the left is CFD. On the right is our future. Okay, there was a warning I made that yesterday. If you watch back my video, right? I was worried about. I was kind of concerned about this move up, right? Why? Because there's nothing really following up this push. So I was like, oh yeah, not nice, something's not right, right? So well, we see the answer already. Okay, we see the answer already. So there wasn't any buying or selling going on. So, and if we look at the yesterday move also, same thing. Even though market really dropped a lot, look at the volume, really nothing. So basically, market is here supposed to be all that long. So this is just to trip everybody up only. So will it go down lower? I mean, there was not much of the volume as well. So, but if you want to short, if you want to long, you need at least one price action of supporting, that whether market will go back up again or not. So I repeat, this whole how many 1 week move, basically is to trip everybody up only. In the first place, the price is supposed to be around here. All right. Look at the volume. There was nothing. You see, they tripped everybody up actually. Okay. So anyway, so I hope and I think market will have a kind of like bullish candle by today and they will climb back again from here. All right. So stay holding. All right. I think we are plugged in and out of the positive and negative on this position. So just let's see. Okay. Let the market really play out first, whether they are really meant to be bullish or bearish up to them. Okay. So I'm kind of like neutral. All right. Definitely not today. I will be talking about bullishness because look at the price action also. You need to give some face to price action. Okay. Neutral or slightly bearish will be the better words here. Okay. Should you sell or not? I mean, because of the price action, I mean, selling is better than buying for now. Definitely, selling is better than buying for now. But look at the volume. There was nothing really involved in the yesterday's selling as well. So the moment, all right, market managed to break above this level, 1.7, which is the control of yesterday, I think we have a bullish case scenario by then. So watch this 1.7 level. Okay, market better break above this level to prove us there's some bullishness in this in this counter. Okay, let's move on coffee and coca. Okay, coffee, we have a good run to the run back up, which is fine. Right, I am waiting for this kind of chance now, right? Because I want to really really buy up. Really want to sell it at the up level. So I will wait for a coffee somewhere around above this line region. So we are talking about 236, this kind of region. Okay, I think I will wait somewhere around this region. 236 is very highly possible. So I think I will wait around this region. So please let me know. This kind of pin, kind of like this pin has to prove that these are the very extreme case scenario. So I would like to wait at the extreme case scenario. This kind of 236 kind of region. I will be monitoring closely. If let's say market come there and start to show signs of weakness, I will shut it down. Okay, why am I bearish on coffee? I mean, if you know the market composition, you understand what I mean. Okay, so two choice, whether will it come all the way back to this region, this kind of region, or we start to see the bearish candle again. Sometime, a bit anticlimax, right? Market never really go very June, right? So we start to see bearish candle, I will short. Okay, so guys, so coffee is the super duper KIV at the moment. All right. Yesterday also KIV, we didn't take a shot, which is turned out to be a right decision. All right. So coffee, we will wait for short. All right. So super duper interesting. Okay, another one is coca. Coca also same. All right. So we are seeing that some of the traders are really extreme on them. Same thing, I will wait it out until some bearish case scenario coming in. So, so coca also same. Wait. Okay. So today is a very interesting day because of the yesterday we have a very big whipsaw Wednesday. All right. Okay, when I study back my US dollar JPY long recommendation, and when we study about my US or GPR long recommendation and US, another one is wheat recommendation. Now, wheat we have been buying. Maybe I should slow down on the wheat buying kind of like condition. Okay, let's watch again. We are already at this kind of condition. Okay, never mind. I will keep it. So I have two recommendations. Both are really on the contrary. So that means if you are right on one, you are likely to be wrong on another one. Okay, because they are not the same. Okay, which is the US dollar JPY long, and another one is a wheat long. Okay, so choose one. Okay, if you are right one, you are right one. You are wrong one, and first one right, second one wrong. Okay, first one right, second one wrong, second one right, first one were wrong. So please choose one. All right. So this is on the recommendation. Second one is coffee and coca. I will be KIV. I will watching it closely. I want to short it down. Look for a bearish case scenario. I think by today or tomorrow it will coming in ready. Coffee and coca. Okay, so if I take any position, I will let you know. And let's see. And just to keep in mind, when we trade coffee and coca, because of course, definitely is considered like a counter trend, right? And because of all their market composition, then we are trying to take some we're trying to take some chance on it. All right. We're trying to take some chance on it, right? So basically, we don't trade so big loss size. Okay, just try to go with the flow. Then it's whether start to work in, then we start to add position. Okay, on that. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for attending. All right, I will upload this video as soon as possible. Yeah, have a great day ahead. I'm here. All right, I'm here, and I'm monitoring, reading, and preparing and stuff like that. All right. If anything, you can just as in our as usual, as you guys do, please post it up in our inner circle, or post it up in our inner circle Telegram. Okay. So thank you very much, and yeah, see you guys. Bye for now. Thank you.